We're in May of 2024, and check out this greatest home appreciation in San Diego County. So homes in Rancho, Penasquitos and Mira, Mesa are ultra hot communities. Look at these numbers, a 17% increase year over year from March 2023 till today. We're in May, but these numbers are always back just a little bit. So year over year, 17% increase in 92129. Also a 17% increase in 92126, which is the Mira Mesa market. Well, why does all this matter? Well, we know that when there's fewer homes on the market, prices keep growing even as affordability dwindles. So I know you're not seeing this in the news, but these are actually facts that you're seeing here. So in 92130, the average sales price is $2,135,000. And then we have Carlsbad, so 92010. Carlsbad's also up about 16%. You know, they do have some of the top rated schools. Carlsbad has that beautiful ocean breeze coming in from the west, as well as Carmel Valley. Mira Mesa, not so much because that's a little more inland. And then we'll talk 92119, so that would be San Carlos. Looks like that's up 16% year over year. You've got Cowles Mountain there. You can be right down to the lake at Lake Murray. You have the golf course within a half a mile of Cowles Mountain. You can do all kinds of fun activities, and it's, you know, a lot of areas are very walkable around there. If you have questions about any neighboring community, reach out, let me know. I'll run a quick search for you and let you know exactly what's going on in that market. And by the way, if you're moving to San Diego, into or even out of San Diego, actually, my name's David Domangos over here at eXp Realty. Please reach out. You can get a hold of me in the description below or on the screen here, and we'll make the move very smooth and easy for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.